Hello. How is
What's up?
everyone? Hope you can all hear me.
What's going on, sir?
All right, good. Awesome. What's going
Perfect.
on, Dean?
What's going on, Alan?
Appreciate you coming. Appreciate all of you
I
coming.
s-
Chris, Jerry,
still
Brandy.
got my AOL email.
Yeah, awesome.
There will be a replay, right? I doubt I can stay for 3 hours.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it about 2 hours and the information's going to be there. And I'm going to try and walk you through everything so that you know where everything is. And I had some last minute changes just because me, Dean and Jerry, you know me well that I strive for perfection, even though I try not to, and I try to do it messy, but sometimes
Right.
I can't.
Yep.
So I have some visuals and things like that I'll be adding to it. So yes, if you can't stay, I take no offense. I love you guys being here right now, and it helps to be interactive and all that. So that will be helpful. But yeah, everything will be up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna have it in the classroom in school, which is the intensive, because it's locked. So all of you have access to it. And Brandy, I may need to get you access if you don't have it already. If you've noticed from the content, from what I've been explaining, is that yes, it's a 3 day intensive. So that doesn't mean Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That means a day, maybe every 2 weeks, with some things to do in between, some coaching calls, some guidance, some tweaks as we go. We're in this for the hall, and I will have a survey ready shortly after the event today. And I tried to get it ready, but I didn't quite get my questions in there. Just anything to improve on, anything to help. I think that all of this was just bogus, I didn't get anything out of it. But um, anything will help. And I do want to mention right up front too that this is about editing. It's about video content, but it's also about creating your brand, creating a presence, how to affect your audience. So how to get them to do what you want with your video. And we have to set some foundation. We have to set a foundation to get to that point. So we got to go through the basics kind of first, not all the way down to bare basics like this is your camera, but as far as strategy and establishing yourself in the social media space. So I have a bunch of Google Docs that you will all have access to. I did give you a preliminary participants guide that kind of will give you an overall view of day one. So I will expand on that and get you some links so you have all of this information that you'll be seeing today. So first, I am going to share my camera. And Dean and Jerry, I think you know that I think I've been planning this for almost a year now.
Yes, I've been
And
impatiently waiting.
yeah, and part of that I will be discussing in my first part of this intensive. I'm going to share my screen here.